because it feeds straight through. I think Purdue did a good job of explaining it earlier. I mean, they're seeing it on their tablets exactly what's coming off the ECM of the truck. It's got their mileage, it's got VIN numbers, it's got location, it's all that will they need. So when it pops up that, hey, a service is due, guys can look down and say, okay, they're 20 miles out headed in this way, or that truck's on the yard, and they know they can go get it and handle the service. Or we know to let dispatch know, hey, the guy's on his way in, send him back here for service. Or he's gone to California, we can just put it on hold. We'll catch him when he comes back in. Let them know not to let that truck go back out until it's done. So that kind of is so important versus the old school way of, stickers and windows of mileages and guys missing it. So the telematics, being able to tie into that, is what makes what you were asking earlier, the details and the specifics of it work. Without that, you don't get, I don't think, your true bang for your buck. So with that in there, it really adds to how technical and how accurate it is, really the accuracy of everything.